Hello. This is a project that I'm working on right now. I thought I'd document it and put it up on YouTube. It's actually a suitcase that I bought at Goodwill for probably about $6 or $7. It's a fairly good sized little suitcase. One of the older versions. It actually has some solid side paneling. Probably it's in plywood or something like that. But the idea is to convert this into a tabletop where I can then put my puppets on top or use it as some other type of showpiece, use it as a table. But to do that, I need to convert it, and I'm going to be using this little flange right here that I got online. I'll try to put the link in the video description. But it's basically a flange. It's got 3 little holes in it, and the threads is the same as the standard thread as on a microphone stand, you know, for musicians. So what I'm going to do is basically mount this in the center of the bottom of the suitcase, and then we'll be able to screw in the microphone stand, and that'll act as a table. Pretty easy. Now the paneling on the suitcase is a little bit thin, so I'm going to cut a little piece of plywood, put it inside there to give it more stability, and drill that. So let's get started. So to begin, I'm going to mark the center of the bottom of the suitcase. Got my ruler out here. I'm going to go from the corner to the corner. Get it as centered in the corner as much as possible. Right about there and right about there. Cool. And then mark. Tag a line. Go from the opposite corner to opposite corner. I'm not worried if this is like exactly perfect. It's a little tougher with the rounded corners to figure out exact middle. If it's completely square, it'd be easier, but that's okay. This is close enough. Some extra lines. See how's that going to look. Center right there. Alright, so the next thing to do is cut this piece. I'm going to mount that on the inside so that when I screw in, these screws right here, right there, the little plywood on the bottom of the suitcase is not thick enough, so I need an extra piece of wood. So I'm going to put a piece of that wood and plus that plywood of the suitcase. It should be just plenty to grab onto. So measure inside of this. And I'm going to cut a piece that actually goes across the whole of the suitcase to give it stability. I mean, I could do just a square in the center, but that wouldn't be stable enough. I want to make sure it holds it up just fine. So I'm going to make it across. Oh. So I finished mounting the flange there, bottom of the suitcase. See that? And I have a standard microphone stand here. This is the one with the 3 legs. So I'm going to screw this in here into the flange, like so. And there we go. There's the tripod microphone stand. Suitcase on top of it. Go top. You can open it. Take our cloth out. Also bought it at Goodwill. It's like a pillowcase. And there we go. Hey, how you doing there, Duddy? Yeah. Oh, in case you're thinking this is Grover, it's not. No, I'm not. I'm not on his cousin. That's right. Grover's cousin. Yeah, on the dad side of the family. All right. So there you go. Simple, easy, cheap. Also works great for doing, little magic tricks.